do it again. And then until we do a second round, na hanggang sa second round, mamememorize nyo. Okay? This is melody retention. Guys, alam niyo, hindi kayo nagpo-focus. Pakinggan nyo at mag-note kayo sa inyo kung baka meron kayong notes na pwedeng isulat na naisip nyo, bumaba si ano, umakyat si ano, bumaba siya. Okay, do not rely on everybody. I'll do it again from, sige, ikaw ulit, tapos balik na naman sa'yo.
Da 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 da.
Sorry. Add.
Da 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 da
Sorry, I forgot.
You forgot?
Yes, yes.
Da 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 da.
Yung kay bali yung
Da 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 da.
then add.
Da 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 da.
Alright.
The same thing.
Pakinggan nyo. So far, ito na siya. Do you remember all that? Again. Add one. Look, do you know how to memorize? Putul-putulin nyo. First part was Can you remember that? Oh, parang chapter 1. Chapter 2. Diba? So far, that's what we have. Get it? Yes, again.
Second chapter.
That's where we are. Apple's gonna add another note. Add another note. Quiet. Sing it from the top, Apple.
Da 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 da.
Oops. Balik na sa nota na yun, ha? Sir.
Wala ako. Da 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 da